Hello everybody, this is Sudan Kumar, Associate Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to discuss about seismic retrofitting. So, earthquake creates great devastation in terms of life, money and failure of structures. Earthquake migration is an important field to study from a long time now. Seismic retrofitting is a collection of migration techniques, mitigation techniques to earthquake engineering. It's of utmost importance for historic moments, areas prone to serve earthquake and tall or expensive structures. Seismic retrofitting definition. It is the modification of existing structures to make them more resistant to seismic activity, ground motion, or soil failure due to earthquakes. The retrofit techniques are also applicable for other natural hazards such as tropical cyclones, tornadoes, and so winds from thunderstorms. When seismic retrofitting is needed, the two circumstances. First one is earthquake damaged building and earthquake vulnerable building with no exposure to severe earthquakes. So retrofit performance objectives: public safety only and structural serviceability, and structural functionality and structure unaffected. Need retrofitting in existing earthquake vulnerable building have been designed according to the seismic code, building designed to meet the modern seismic codes. Essential building must be strengthened like hospitals, historical mementos and architectural buildings. Important buildings whose service and assumed to be essential just after the earthquake. Buildings are used to which has changed through the years. Buildings are exposed and renovated or rebuilt. So classification of retrofitting. Retrofitting techniques, the global level and the local level. Global level, adding shear wall, adding infill wall, adding bracings, adding wing walls like that. And local level, jacketing of beams, jacketing of columns, and jacketing of beam and columns joints, and strengthening of individual buildings. So this is the adding new shear walls and shear wall bracings and adding steel bracings, and this is the jacketing, column jacketing, and this is the beam jacketing and seismic retrofitting concept of base isolation. This is a base isolation technique. Isolation of superstructure from the foundation is known as base isolation. And this is the most powerful tool to passive control vibration control technique. Okay. Thank you.